if these guys walked into your salon, if Joyce walked into your salon real quick, you did not have this, you have dead space in your salon as we were discussing, what could they say within 10 minutes to gain your interest?
3 minutes, not penalties.
10 minutes because 5 minutes you should not have to wait for him to get off the chair.
180 seconds, go.
Go.
No pressure.
All right. Say no pressure. That's all you got to say.
No, so what you're going to say is I have a very unique concept of a product line that will help bring a new clientele through your doors.
A new revenue.
Which leads to revenue. Yes.
Okay.
So we would like to offer you to put a new service to be offered on your service menu. And that is the blowout. Without signing any lease for brick and mortar.
Right.
You can take those 2 dead chairs you have, we'll sponsor it. All we're asking is a small commitment of an intro order. And you can look at all of our instructional videos. We have all the support systems for you to start offering this new service in the industry today.
Okay.
That's your opener. And then spray their face with the hairspray.
I think as a booth runner, talking to them about like the fact that we're always losing people from moving later, we have to be gaining or we're gonna go backwards.
Right.
So it's a good way to get new clients in the door. Like you were saying, you know, they might be scared to come to someone new for a cut and color, but if you can wow them with your blow dry, you know, that type of stuff.
So let's just take a hypothetical situation John just asked right there. We got Chris who runs a booth runner at the station, and he's fully booked, but he has times where he's sitting around waiting on clients. He has the opportunity to utilize the station now as an additional service generating revenue system to say, hey, come in between 15, 20 minutes, whatever. Michael, what's our time frame for a blowout real quick?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. I got 30 minutes to spare. Come on in. I'll fit you in right here this time. Let's do your hair. Let's get it blown out and go on. Now he just utilized his wasted time and maximized his full chair time by using those 30-minute gaps that he has in between clients using this product as a single booth runner.
If somebody wants to open a blow dry bar and it be sponsored BlowPro,
Right.
call us. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Conceptually, we want you guys to get all the smaller salons
Gotcha.
and create little mini blow dry bars.
Gotcha.
If somebody came to me and says, Michael, I want to open up my own blow dry bar and I want it to be called BlowPro, I'd be like, show me the money, girl. Let's get it.
Gotcha.
You know, we're not going to turn that down at all.
Okay.
But go ahead.
Well, can you share with me in your salon how that's brought in new customers and new revenue?
Absolutely.
Have you added, how much have you added? How many customers have come through the door?
Specifically, I'd have to get back with you on that to be you know, honest
Well,
about
has
it.
there been a big jump in customer base coming in?
Not substantial, but enough to fill in some gaps and to keep my stylists that don't have clients
Okay.
busy.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna say, if you have a salon that has an assistant that has her license but trying to get ready for the interview and you're not ready to give her color, but you're teaching her blow drying, that stuff is a good place to help them.
Absolutely.
Make more money.
That was actually what I was gonna mention too. You could pass this along to an associate or an assistant of some sort.
That's exactly what the
Have them
concept
work.
of a mini
Right.
blow dry bar is. Because nobody's going to do blowouts for the rest of their life.
Guys, closing it up real quick, just 3 steps like we were just talking about. You got your booth renter, you got your in-salon opportunities, and you have your conceptual, brick and mortar, whole deal. You come across it, we can make all 3 happen. It's no problem. So don't walk away from any opportunities. Present them as we do in Flip Side and Scruples World. We don't walk away from anything. It's the exact same thing in BlowPro. We are positioned to make it happen. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
And we have the funds to make things happen.
Yes.
Am I right or wrong? So
Yeah,
that
that's a
should
lot
be
of
enough
money.
for you guys. Guys, I want to thank you guys very much. If you have any questions, please feel free to catch us after me. And thank you all very much.
Thank you.